Welcome to Peaceful Forest. Today I am going to discuss our harvester panel. The harvester panel controls the energy harvested from the wind turbine and the solar panels of our hybrid energy system. As you can clearly see, we are producing 10 amps of energy from Solar Bank 1 and approximately 5 amps from Solar Bank number 2, and again 8 amps from bank number 3. Our WindMax 500 watt turbine produces 3-phase AC current and therefore must be routed through a stop switch with a rectifier. The rectifier converts the AC current back to DC to be sent to the battery bank. Never put your brake switch on when the turbine is in motion for fear of damage. All harvested energy is then routed through the combiner box. Prior to the combiner box, all energy is routed through this harness system, which leads directly to the amp meters to determine the amount of power generated, then back into the combiner box, which is then sent to the battery bank for our personal service. Midnight Solar is the manufacturer of our combiner box and enables us to have 6 individual breakers. 4th breaker is not in service yet. An interior view of our combiner box. With any alternative energy system, lightning is always at risk. We have a Delta 20,000 volt lightning arrestor on our system. There is no guarantee that it'll save our system completely, but it will divert some of the lightning power away from the system and give us some protection. Each amp meter in the system requires its own shunt. All shunts are mounted behind the door that the amp meters are mounted in. Each shunt is labeled bank 1, 2, 3, etc. And as well, there is a shunt for the wind turbine and for the main amp meter for the entire system logging. Once all energy has been metered and harvested, it is then routed underground to the house for storage in the battery bank.